Let's now go to identification of patterns. Let's discuss methods. Elements of this identification are found throughout Chinese medical texts, starting from the Yellow Emperor's classic of internal medicine and the discussion on cold-induced diseases. In its present form, this method of identifying patterns was formulated by Cheng Xiong Ling in the early Qing dynasty. The identification of patterns according to the eight principles is based on the categories of interior, exterior, hot, cold, full, empty, and yin yang. It is the summarization of all other modes of identification and is applicable in all cases for both interior and exterior diseases. Identification of patterns according to qi, blood, and body fluids. This method of identification of patterns describes the basic disharmonies of qi, blood, and body fluids, such as deficiency, stagnation, and rebellion of qi, deficiency, stasis, heat and loss of blood, and deficiency of fluids, edema, and phlegm. This particular method is very important and constantly used in clinical practice, especially for internal diseases. It is integrated with the method of identification of according to the internal organs and that according to the eight principles. Identification of patterns according to the internal organs. Elements of this process of identification of patterns are found throughout Chinese medical texts from the earliest times, but in its present form, it was formulated during the early Qing dynasty. This method of identification is based on the pathological changes occurring in the internal organs and is the most important of all the various systems for the diagnosis and treatment of internal diseases. The method of identification of patterns according to the internal organs basically consists in the application of the eight principles to specific internal organs. For example, according to the eight principles, condition may be due to full heat, but applying the process of identification according to the internal organs, we can identify the organ affected by the full heat, for example, liver fire. Thank you for your attention.